At Bull Bricks, we follow a precise process. First, our design team crafts molds with detailed dimensions, ensuring a perfect fit for brake pads. Our choice of alloy tool steel, like CR1 2MOV, guarantees high wear and heat resistance. We begin with rough machining to shape the material, followed by heat treatment to boost hardness and strength. Then, precision machining using CNC centers ensures all parts are accurate. Surface treatment, like polishing and nitriding, enhances the mold's performance. Assembly is carefully done to ensure stability during pressing. Finally, we test the mold on hot press equipment, making adjustments for optimal results. Trust Bull Brakes for high quality brick pad molds.